Ysgol Gwynedd is a English medium primary school. We have approximately 500 children on roll and around 65 staff currently employed. A mixture of teachers, support staff, learning support and apprentices. The first intake of apprentices was around supporting the children from the learning support aspect, so looking at the teaching assistants, trying to use some of our funding creatively and also to look at trying to upskill the apprentices while they're on post. Apprenticeships have benefited school massively. I think it's providing a platform for the apprentices to show and to display their skill sets, to work with children, to learn on the job. But also it's offered me an opportunity to allow some of the staff within the school team, so as middle managers, to also mentor the apprentices, so give them the opportunity to use their leadership skill sets to support. So it's provided a real good opportunity from both perspectives, from apprentice and current staff. It offers an opportunity for succession planning, whereas these apprenticeships that we have at the moment are obviously for a fixed term, and the hope is that they would utilise their skill sets developed here to then move them on within the workplace or further. We've had a number of staff benefit from work-based learning programmes, ranging from initial leadership management level 5 courses where a number of our teachers who have then succeeded in becoming middle managers have accessed those courses. And then we have a number of staff who are following the work-based learning through teaching assistants level 3, and most recently the sports apprentice, which is something that I feel was put in place to inspire the younger generation, especially after COVID, to try and get back into falling back in love with sport. And I think with our sports apprentice that we have at the moment with Ellis, he's proven to do that. Through Achieve More, who provide us with the work-based learning training through the management programmes and the apprenticeships. The support from them has been absolutely fantastic in terms of the mentoring for the staff here, visiting the school, supporting them on the job, all the background things that obviously takes a lot off the school in terms of pressure to do that, and also the checking in, they're basically being like a barometer in terms of, you know, making sure that we're getting the best value of support for our apprentices, and also to make sure that they are thriving in their roles. Having experienced the work-based learning programmes, I would most definitely recommend them to other school settings or educational settings to really embrace it. It's an opportunity to really put the professional learning in place to support them whilst at school, benefiting everybody. It's wonderful to see them engage with lots of energy and lots of appetite in the activity, supporting children from the youngest learners that we have here in nursery all the way up to the older learners in year 5 and 6.